We are in our Piano Adventures performance book primer level, and we are playing Listen to the Drums. Now this is a pretty easy piece. We are on C and F, and we are only using our third fingers on each hand, red and green, and it sounds like this. Okay, so let's go through real quick and we will say our letter names. Ready? Go. C, C, F, F, C, F. C, C, F, F, C, C, F. C and F, 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 C and F. Okay, now let's do our rhythm pattern. We have beets, melons, and watermelon at the very end. 1, 2, ready, go. Beet, 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 beet. Melon, melon. Beet, 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 beet. Beet, beet, melon. Melon, beet, beet. Melon, beet, beet. Melon, melon. Watermelon. Okay, now let's do the duet. And I'm going to be down here, and you just stay right here and play your part. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go.